triplets ang Nunubian. Two boys and one girl.
Ito na ito yung show, tanggal mo siya.
Born, kung saan nila tao, boss? May 12, 2017. Two boys and one girl.